Hello. In this video, we will be creating a reinforcement learning agent and watching it train to navigate a green circle player to a blue goal square. The agent will follow the tabular Q-learning algorithm. It is the simplest algorithm to follow and ideal for beginners. Let's get started. First, we will create the class and the init function. Our agent needs the number of states, actions, learning rate, gamma, and epsilon. We will be storing the Q values in a dictionary. Next, we will create the sample action function, which the agent will use to determine which action to take given a state. Our agent follows an E-greedy policy, meaning that with probability epsilon, our agent takes a random action, and the rest of the time, our agent follows the action that has the highest estimated Q value for that state. Next, we write the update function that will update our agent's Q value function based on trajectories we have seen. We update our Q function according to the Bellman optimality equation, moving the current estimate toward a bootstrap target based on the observed reward and the maximum estimated value of the next state. Next, we write the update epsilon function that will be used to gradually decrease epsilon as training occurs. Finally, we write a save and load function that will save and load our agent's Q value function to and from an external file. Now that our class is done, we can use these functions in the training loop and watch our agent train. Now that our agent is fully trained, we can see how it uses its Q values to navigate the grid and reach the goal as quickly as possible. The agent will proportionally highlight squares on the grid that it associates with future rewards. This has been a brief intro to a simple reinforcement learning algorithm. Thanks for watching.